I mess with that.
You like that?
Yeah.
I like that.
That's
You
creative.
gotta do what you have to do.
That's creative. That's how you call off now.
Yeah.
You can't
Really?
Are we on the phone and we hear that and we know what that is?
If you say you at the hospital and you hearing that beep, it's like, oh, damn, okay.
Yeah.
But you got to commit.
Yeah, you
She
have to
got to commit.
Yeah.
Because when she come back is where the...
Right, she sounded a little too healthy still, too. You got
Going full
You
blown.
can't oversell it.
You do like the voice
that was
isolation.
Too much.
Yeah.
She could have just called him and like, I got diarrhea. I'm really not trying to come in.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Yeah.
They don't like, hey, as soon as you finish wiping, bring your ass in here. They're
Right.
not, especially
Bring your
depending
ass.
on where you're working.
Yeah, depending on who's gonna let that happen, because that ain't happening on my watch.
Oh, yeah?
You know what the law is? You do not come in, especially if it's in the food industry. Nah, you don't have to.
Okay, look at you. Okay.
I just think
You know
that
your
it's just fun to
rights.
see
Yes.
how
Yeah,
far
I'm
you
not
can
coming
go,
in.
you know? It's just
I'm
fun to see how
not.
far you can go, and then it's like, there's nothing that they can say about it, because even if it's just a pippy, okay, well, guess what?